10th class short answer questions. So, nutrition, the food synthesized by the plant is stored as dash. The food synthesized by the plants is stored as dash. Carbohydrates, stored as carbohydrates. Dash are the site of photosynthesis. Dash are the site of photosynthesis. Chloroplast. Chloroplast are the site of photosynthesis. Pancreatic juice contain enzyme for carrying the process of digestion of dash and dash. Pancreatic juice contain enzymes for carrying the process of digestion of dash and dash. So proteins and fats. Proteins and fats. Pancreatic juice contain enzymes for carrying the process of digestion of proteins and fats. Next, the finger-like projections which increase the surface area in small intestine is called dash. The finger-like projections which increase the surface area in small intestine are called dash. Villi. It's called villi. Next, gastric juice contain dash acid. Gastric juice contain dash acid. HCl, hydrochloric acid is contained. The gastric juice contain hydrochloric acid. Dash vitamin is synthesized by bacteria in intestine. Dash vitamin is synthesized by bacteria present in intestine. Cyanocobalamin. The answer is cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin vitamin is synthesized by bacteria present in intestine. Next, seventh one. The energy present in the light rays is called dash. The energy present in the light rays is called dash. Quantum. Quantum. The energy present in the light rays is called quantum. Next, dash regulates the exchange of gases and the loss of water vapor from the leaves. Dash regulates exchange of gases and the loss of water vapor from the leaves. Stomata. Stomata regulate the exchange of gases and the loss of water from the leaves. Next, ninth one. Grana are stalks of dash membranes. Grana are stalks of dash membrane. Thylakoid. Grana are stalks of thylakoid membranes. Next, 10th one. Dash are the organism capable of synthesizing food materials. Autotrophs. Autotrophs are the organisms capable of synthesizing food materials. Next, the process of dash makes plants are universal food providers. The process of dash makes the plants of the universal food providers. Photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis makes plants the universal food providers. The light reaction of photosynthesis take place of dash chloroplast. The light reaction of photosynthesis take place of dash chloroplast. One more time. The light reaction of photosynthesis take place in grana. Take place in the grana. The light reaction of photosynthesis take place grana of chloroplast. ATP and NADPH are called dash powers. ATP and NADPH are called dash powers, assimilatory powers. It's called assimilatory powers. Finally, glucose is converted into dash. Finally, glucose is converted into dash starch. Finally, glucose is converted into starch. Dark reaction occurs in dash. Dark reaction occurs in dash stroma. Dark reactions occurs in stroma. In paramecium, food is taken in at a specific spot called dash. In paramecium, food is taken in at a specific spot called dash. Cytostome. Cytostome. In paramecium, food is taken at a specific spot called cytostome. It's called cytostome. The process of taking food in the body is called dash ingestion. The process of taking food in the body is called ingestion. Next, the process of converting fats into small globules like forms by bile juice called dash. The process of converting fats into small globules like forms by bile juice is called dash emulsification. It's called emulsification. Converting fats into small globules like forms is called emulsification. So vitamin B complex and vitamin C are called dash vitamins. Vitamin B complex and vitamin C are called dash vitamins. Water soluble. B and C. B and C vitamins are called water soluble vitamins. Next, dash can be avoided by having plenty of rough edges in the diet. Dash can be avoided by having plenty of rough edges in the diet. Malnutrition. Yes, it's malnutrition. What it is? Dash can be avoided by having plenty of rough edges in the diet. Constipation. The answer is constipation. Constipation can be avoided by having plenty of rough edges in the diet. Next, eating of food that does not have one or more than one material is required amount is known as dash. Eating of food that does not have one or more than one nutrients in required amount is known as dash malnutrition. Chemical name of vitamin D is dash calciferol. Chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol. Dash are micronutrients required in small quantities. Dash are micronutrients required in a small quantity. Vitamins. The food that is digested in the stomach is dash. The food that is digested in the stomach is dash chyne. Next, the movement of food in esophagus is dash movement, peristalsis movement. The movement of food in the esophagus is dash movements, peristalsis movements. So these are the first lesson nutrition bits.